Now that you already got your Noroji Smart Curtain, we're here to guide you in installing it to your home. As you can notice, the Noroji Smart Curtain is made from aluminum alloy 6063T5, which conforms with architectural standards. Inside the package is the motor mount, which you will install to the Easysmart motor. And then we have some shock absorber cushions that we will stick to the visible mounting holes depending on your desired track length. You can also find some pulleys which will lead the opening and closing of the curtains. The button, which when pressed will allow the pulleys to slide independently to adjust to your desired track length. And the runners with the rings that will allow us to hang the curtain hooks of our curtains. So before we start, here are a few important things to remember so your Noroji Smart Curtain will hold and last. Number 1. To help you aid in curtain measurement, the Noroji Easysmart Curtain's adjustable track is a middle opening track. Number 2. The motor needs to be installed near the end of the power supply or use a reliable extension cable. Number 3. Please install the Noroji Easysmart Curtain adjustable track horizontally and not vertically or in uneven places. Take note that the adjustable curtain track is ideally installed to the ceiling. Number 4. There is only one motor mount slot for the smart motor in the adjustable track, but you can flip the track around if you need the smart motor to be on the opposite side. Number 5. Please allot 10 cm space allowance on either side between the ends of the adjustable curtain track and the wall. And number 6, importantly, the maximum curtain weight should not exceed 20 kilograms or 44 pounds. Alright, now we're all set, let's do this! The Easysmart Curtain track is extendable, so all you gotta do is pull it out like this, up to the desired length. The more you extend, the more mounting holes will appear along the track. After that, set the pulleys to slide independently. Then on the motor mount side, press down and twist the button located near the end of the track. Then set the pulleys to slide together. And just like step 2, press the button, twist, and release to revert to its previous position. Sometimes the button will be stuck, so to fix this, just tug the pulley towards the middle and the button will pop up. Since the pulleys are now set to slide together, pick a pulley and slide it towards the center. Both pulleys should meet at the middle. Now let's place the shock absorber cushion on all visible mounting holes. Do take note that this end part is where the motor will be attached, so better make sure that it's the part placed near a power source. Moving on, mark the ceiling using the mounting holes as a guide. Drill the necessary holes and insert the screw anchors. Let's now mount the adjustable curtain track to the ceiling. Align the big hole to the screw head, attach the screws, and slide it to the lock position. Once you're done, you may now hook the curtain cloth to the loops on the rack. Now that's all set, let's focus on the motor. Before we attach this to the curtain track, let us first set it up with the remote, the app on your smartphone, or if you have any smart Amazon or Google devices. It's important to remember how to reset the motor so you can easily connect to the phone app, the remote, and other smart devices. To do this, on the motor, press and hold the set button for 5 seconds or until the LED blue light turns on. Once the LED blue light is on, release the set button. Afterwards, press the set button again until the blue light will start blinking rapidly. And that's it! Your Easysmart motor is now reset. To connect the motor to the remote control, just do the reset procedure again, which is to press the set button of the motor for about 5 seconds or until the blue light is on. Then release. Next is using the remote control, press the left or right select button on the lower part to select the remote control channel. You can choose 01 for this. After selecting the channel, press and hold the set button of the remote control until the LED blue light of the Easysmart motor turns off. Once you're done, your remote control is now paired with the Easysmart motor. Now let's explore connecting it to the app so you can easily control the curtain through your smartphone. The Noroji Easysmart motor is powered by the Tuya Smart app, which you have to download and register. Just search Tuya Smart on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or you may scan this QR code. Once you have successfully downloaded the app and registered, go to the Home section and tap on Add Device. In the Add Device section, tap on Small Home Appliances. Scroll down and tap on Curtains Other. A prompt will appear about gateway configuration, and tap on Configure. Afterwards, on this part, enter the Wi-Fi network you'll be using with the Wi-Fi password. Let's tap on the 5G version here. Now reset the Easysmart motor by pressing the set button for 5 seconds when the light turns on. Then press again once to make the light blink rapidly. Please see also the how to reset Easysmart motor video. While the blue LED light is blinking, let's tap on the confirm the indicator is blinking button and tap on blink quickly. Just wait for a few seconds while the app adds the Noroji Easysmart motor. Then tap on done when the motor is added successfully and you're good to use the app already. If the timer runs out and the motor is not connected, kindly repeat the steps to configure. Now walking you through the app interface, it's pretty straightforward. We get the curtain visual, an open button, close button, and a pause option in the middle. You can click on the open or the close triggers, then hit the pause button if you prefer a different open-close ratio like this. Another convenient thing you can set in the app is the timing settings of whenever you want it to automatically open and close. It's as simple as setting an alarm on your phone. Under the pause button, go to the more option and tap on schedule. Then tap on add schedule. Indicate here the time you prefer, how often you want it to be, and specify if you want it to open or close. As I've mentioned earlier, you can also connect it to any smart Amazon or Google devices if you have one. I have here the Google Nest Mini and let's set it up. Before connecting to Google Home, please ensure that you have already successfully connected the Noroji Easysmart motor to the phone app. If you're not yet connected, please see the how to connect to phone app part of the video. When you're set on that part, let's download the Google Home app via the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow through the setup instructions. When you're set and connected, tap the device section and click add. Then tap on Works with Google. Afterwards, in the search bar, type Easysmart and tap on the logo that will appear. Then let's click on Agree and Link. On this part, tap on Curtain Motor and tap Next. Then on the next section, click Choose a Home. Here you can choose where the Noroji Easysmart curtain will be connected and tap on Next. Now give it a few seconds to connect and your Noroji Easysmart motor is now connected to your Google Home. You may now open and close the Noroji Easysmart motor through voice commands such as
Hey Google, open curtains.
Got it. Opening the curtain motor.
for that smart home experience. Now, if you have an Amazon Echo, here's how you can connect your device to the Noroji Easysmart motor. Just like earlier, take note that before connecting to the Amazon Echo, make sure that you have already connected the Noroji Easysmart motor to the phone app. If you haven't, please see the how to connect to phone app in the timestamps. When you're good with that, let's now connect this Amazon Echo Dot. The first thing you have to do is download the Amazon Alexa app via the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and follow through the setup instructions. When you're set and connected, tap the device section and choose the one that says your smart home skills. Then tap on Enable Smart Home Skills. After this, in the search bar, type in Easysmart and click on the Easysmart icon that will appear. Then add in your email and verify with OTP. And that's it! Your Amazon Echo is now connecting to the Easysmart app. Just tap on Done when successfully connected. You may now open and close the Noroji Easysmart motor through voice commands. Finally, when we're all done connecting the motor to the remote, the app on your smartphone, and to your smart AI home devices, let's now attach the motor to the curtain track. To do this, locate the motor mount side of the curtain, which is the side where the button is. Now make sure that the bolt is in the unlocked position. When mounting on the left side, the bolt should be on the left. If not, then simply pull the bolt and slide to the left. When that's set, align the motor drive shaft to the flat hole of the main gearbox and insert it. Of course, make sure that they're aligned. And lastly, once inserted, pull the latch and slide to the right to lock it in place. And there we go! The smart motor is now mounted to the adjustable curtain track. Since everything is all good, let's attach the power cable to the motor to finish. Plug it in and we are done! You may now operate the Noroji Easysmart curtain through the remote control, your phone app, or smart hubs. That's it for this video. Thanks again for watching.